Monet is one of my favorite artists. My mom had these like little cards with Monet on them and I love them, especially his water lilies. I create because it's very peaceful and I get to quiet myself and be still and make something. It's also an expression of how I see the world. I grew up in Colorado. It's extremely beautiful there, especially like when the lighting comes through the clouds and hits the mountain. It's like the best thing ever. And that has just always struck me in a particular way where I've suddenly just had the desire to, okay, I'm gonna put that on a piece of paper and I wanna share that with people. When I am in that moment where I'm seeing this incredibly beautiful thing, it's an encounter with God. So when I get to create that, I'm like trying to share that encounter with people. I also draw. I really have an appreciation for it, especially an appreciation I gained at the school. My professor always says that underneath every good painting is a good drawing. I think that painting in that way kind of like helps me be quiet and to like be like, hey Jesus, thank you for your creation. Like, wow, how beautiful. And to just appreciate life and the world around me. I think something that is often overlooked, but is one of the most important things to know as a creative artist, is that you have to make time to be still. You cannot create anything unless you take time to be by yourself and be still. My name is Sarah Gruber, and this is why I create.